welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rebecca. How are you guys today? I hope everyone is doing well in light of everything that is going on in the country and around the world. It's some crazy times right now, but I hope that if you like crafting and you are stuck at home, hopefully you can enjoy these DIY videos, binge watch some of the other ones. I'll leave a playlist down below. I know there's so many videos here on YouTube for crafting and DIYs, Dollar Tree DIYs, and hopefully you'll find these as a little bit of inspiration so that you can use items that you already have, maybe without even needing to go out to Dollar Tree. That is what I've been trying to do, is make some things with stuff that I had from just like spring and Easter things and just random stuff, even just like left over that I didn't use from other projects. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy these Dollar Tree DIYs. They are the perfect little room decor and home decor pieces to just decorate around your home on a budget. So I hope that you enjoy. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know which one is your favorite, and also any other ideas. I always love hearing if you guys have any requests or suggestions for video ideas or topics that you would like me to cover here on my channel, especially during this time. If there's anything in particular that you guys want to see from me, definitely let me know down below in the comments. And without further ado, let's jump into it.
So the first DIY that I have to share with you is going to be this stand riser. I am taking a glass candle holder from Dollar Tree along with one of these plastic wider plant dishes. I am just attaching them with hot glue, and then I'm going to be painting over it with some chalk paint. I actually really like this copper colored one. I got it on Amazon and I will have it linked down below. The folk art brand that Amazon has is really nice. I honestly feel like it has very little smell to it and dries super quickly. I'm just really impressed with it overall and always really happy with these paints when I get them. They are a little bit pricier, I think, than the ones that you can get from Walmart, although me personally, I find that the ones from Walmart seem to have a stronger smell. I don't know if that's just me, but for that reason, I do kind of prefer these ones that I have ordered on Amazon. And I just decorated the top edge of this with 2 rows of these sticker sheets from Dollar Tree. You can just literally peel them off and stick them on, and it gives it such a beautiful, shiny, beaded, finished edge. I think this turned out lovely. For the next one, I am taking some of these St. Patrick's Day pots, and I decided to see if I could create little candle holders out of these. I used hot glue, and then I did press it together really, really well. I did fill the bottom with rocks, like you might have noticed. Those were also from Dollar Tree. You could pick some up outside or whatever, but it just gave it a little more stability to make sure that they don't tip over. They're not super strong, but they do stay together just for like basic everyday use. As long as you are not too rough with them, it makes a really easy and really super inexpensive candle holder. You don't need to paint it, and 1 pack of them can make 2 candle holders, so you literally get like 2 of these candle holders for $1. And then I used 2 other glass vase candle holders for the top. And I have my favorite little tea light candles in here. These have a timer on them, and I absolutely love them. I will have them linked down below for you guys. I think they're super realistic, and I love the timer feature, so they just go on every day at the same time. Moving on, I found these hexagon shelves, and I thought they were really cool in Dollar Tree, and then it was one of those items that I bought and ended up having no particular purpose for. So here was a little project that I could make out of them. I just took one, I'm going to put it upside down and use this like a little planter vase for some artificial flowers in here. Of course, you could put a tray or a little bowl with some water and have real flowers in here, but it just makes a really interesting shape, I guess. So it doesn't have a bottom on it. I'm just decorating the bottom around the outside edge with more of those copper gold colored beaded stickers, and I decided to try filling this with all different pink flowers. You could also go with something really classy like white roses or even just greenery. Moving on, I really love how this one came out. I think it was super cute. I showed you guys these in a recent Dollar Tree haul, these little prayer cards, and I had no idea what I was doing with them. But anyway, this is going to be the second DIY that I have done. I will link another video below if you're looking for another idea of things to do with these prayer cards. But anyway, I took 2 frames. Again, I already had these from Dollar Tree. I had them back since Christmas time. I tried to do this with just 1 frame and gluing the back on and hopefully being able to slide the cards down in there. And this totally works if you want to be able to just slide a single card in at a time and keep the other stack or other pile of cards like on the table next to it, then this would work and you could change out your card every day. But the idea that I was going for was for something where you have a inspirational card holder and you can change the card every single day and have a new card to read, or every week, or however you want to do it. But I just felt like I wanted it to be able to really store all of the cards in it and not only fit one single card. So what I ended up deciding to do was just take the back off completely. In trying to do this, I wasn't sure what I was doing, so please forgive the fact that I was testing out a few different ways here. But what I did was use a little bit of hot glue in the corners inside the frame and stick the white matting in. And then what you want to do, I found that putting the magnets in the middle did not work very well. The cards were too wide to actually fit in between the magnets so that the frames would close. What I ended up doing was moving the magnets down onto the bottom and putting them in the bottom corner there on top of the matting, and this seems to work pretty well. I put the 2 frames back to back like this, and they are connected now at the bottom through the magnets so that you can swap out your prayer cards, your inspirational cards, whatever you wanted to put in here. It does show on both sides, so this is kind of reversible, which is really, really cool. You can see it from both directions, and the magnets were strong enough to actually hold the whole set of cards inside here, so you don't have anything laying around on the table. The next one is a little bonus DIY that I wanted to share with you guys. I already had these 2 plates laying around. This square one says, "I said yes." I just turned that over, put some glue on the back, and placed this other square plate with the purple marbly design on here on top of it. And I think this is just really cute to be like a ring holder, a jewelry holder. You might be able to use this as a soap dish. I'm not totally sure, but it also makes a really cute candle holder as well, especially if you wanted to do a set of them. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed. Definitely let me know which one of these ideas was your favorite. If you think you might try to recreate any of these or what your thoughts are on them, I always love hearing from you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!